I'm taking a look at the temperature on the spinal disc and the nerve. I just make sure that what I address is the cause of the issue. Which cause of the issue has some inflammation or some physiological change along with that. I'm taking a look at the temperature, then wherever the happening, that's the time I investigate a little bit more. And after that, I feel each joint with the neural motion analysis. This is the sensitive spot, so I'm gonna do a gentle one right there. Belly down, down, down for me. Relax your shoulder. Relax right shoulder. There we go. Good job. That's it. Yeah, you're doing amazing work. Come on, you got it. That's it. Okay. One more. T4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5. Yum. T4. Right there. And belly down for me a little more. You got it. Good job. You okay? A bit more. Perfect. That's it. Hold on.